How to unbox and set up your Airdog X5. 1. Open the packaging box. 2. Take out the instruction manual, the air purifier, and the collecting plate. 3. Open the back cover of the purifier and insert the collecting plate according to the directional instructions printed on it. 4. Close the back cover. 5. Plug in the power and turn the machine on. 6. Press the round button at the top of the machine briefly to switch modes. Long press to turn off.